Today we are fitting the Automotive Passion arch guards to the new BMW G45 X3 model. So firstly, we have already removed the original pull rivet plugs from the 3 hole locations. These can be removed using a plastic trim tool or a flathead screwdriver. Make sure to take your time, exercise some patience, and ply them slowly out of the holes. Once removed, we are going to take either the ABS or the gloss carbon fiber option and mount them in position reusing original BMW pull rivet plugs that are supplied with the kit. You will be needing to use a plastic rivet tool to fit the new arch guards in place. We do supply these on our website alongside the arch guards. So let's go ahead and get them fitted up to the vehicle using the original mounting point locations. We recommend using a little bit of 3M tape on the bottom of the arch to stop any tapping at high speeds along with the 3 pull rivet plugs. We now have the arch guards in position using the 3 pull rivet plugs. The arch guards have been made adjustable for your desired fitment to be able to slide them in and out of the arch for your desired fitment. Make sure to hold the arch guard securely against the arch when using the pull rivet plug so that they are fitted securely. When using the pull rivet tool, press it firmly against the arch, pinch the handles. This will secure the pull rivet plug in place. The next pinch will be cutting off the plastic head. Release, and the pin will fall out of the rivet gun. Go ahead and repeat this process for the top and the lower pins. As seen, the arch is now securely fitted flush against the arch liner. Moving on to the rear of the new X3, there are 2 original screw hole locations. We are going to remove the original screws like such. As you can see, this car has already been battered with a whole load of mud and debris this morning on its way into us. So let's get these loosened up. With the original screws now removed, we are going to go ahead and fit up the arch guards. Today we are going to be fitting up the carbon arch guards. We also have an offering in ABS gloss black plastic. So we are going to reuse the original screws with the arch guards. We are going to place these screws within the arch guards like so, and we are going to then get the arch guard up in position. Let's start with the top screw first, mounting the top screw in the... Secure the arch guards in place by hand tightening the screws. This will allow you to move the arch guards in and out of the arch for your desired fitment and how much you would like them to protrude. Ignore the additional 2 holes on the arch guards. These are just our prototype for test purposes. Once happy with the location, go ahead and tighten up the screws. Make sure to not over tighten the screws. You will know when they are tight enough when they have taken on the shape of the arch perfectly and there is no gap between the paintwork and the arch guard.